Good evening guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good. So Nifty in 5 minutes we have opened gap up and it was a new high it has made. But what happened, it was a good fall we have seen in today's market and it has closed near to the prior days lower levels. So Nifty closed with 269 points, whereas Banknifty also has closed near to the prior days low and it has given a 355 negative closing. So now let's begin the open interest analysis and we'll see what's the big play I have planned. Let's follow by FII. In future index they were having 81% long, 19% short. So today they have unwinded their longs, reduced the longs and increased the short by 2%. So they have 79% long, 21% short. Option index contract at call they were having 2.35 lakhs of call buying. Today they have added 4000 contracts, so they have 2.40 lakhs of call buying. At put they were having 77,000 of put buying. Today they have increased their put buying by 2.07 lakh contracts, so they have a 2.84 lakhs of put buying contract. Now they have hedged their position in options, but they are still positive in future index because they are purchasing cash market. They purchase for 1,506 crores. Option buying versus selling. Call buying they have 56%, call writing they have 44%, put buying 56% and put writing 44%. Still the view of FIA is positive only. Client are retailers. In future index long they were having 35% long, 65% short. So today they have increased the long, reduced the short by 2%. They have 37% long, 63% short. Option index they were having 5.17 lakhs of call writing contract. Today they have unwinded 3.64 lakh contract in profit, still holding 1.52 lakhs of call writing contract, and in put they were having 3.99 lakhs of put writing contract. Today they have increased 3.38 lakhs of contract, so they have 7.38 lakhs of put writing contract. Now they have become positive in options, they are negative in future index, and they have sold in the cash market for 429 crores. Option buying versus selling. 49% call buying, 51% call writing, 46% put buying, 54% call writing. Client don't have any view, but proprietor desk in future index they have 34% long, 66% short by yesterday. Today they have unwinded longs, increased the short by 4%, 30% long they have and 70% short. Option index at call they were having 2.79 lakhs of call buying contract. Today they have unwinded most of the call buying contract and made a fresh call writing of 89,000 contract. At put side they were having 63,000 of put writing contract. Here also they have unwinded most of the put writing contract and made a fresh put buying of 1 lakh contract. Here they have turned negative in options. Still they are negative in future index as well now. In cash flow they have purchased for 356 crores. In option buying versus selling they have 49% call buying, 51% call writing, 52% put buying and 48% put writing. Now they have turned negative. Now let's check the change in OI Nifty for this week expiry. It will be on 25th July. So we have seen huge put writing unwinding at 24,800. So mostly we have seen a good number of call writing addition from 24,600 to 25,000. But still put writer are sitting in an OI place. But the data is slight negative for today and also for coming week. So for Bank Nifty 24th July expiry, here also we have seen good number of put writing unwinding from 52,500 to 52,700 and good number of put writing addition we have seen. Anyhow the Bank Nifty was negative only. Now let's check the technical analysis. Nifty in 1 day time frame, it has formed a bearish Marabuzu candle and it also a bearish engulfing candle it has formed. So it is still wait and watch for Monday's market sentiment where it is opening and we have to see the price action and we will take the trade accordingly. Now we don't have anything. In Bank Nifty 1 day time frame, Bank Nifty also has given a small red candle closing. Still it is taking a support of 52,000. It is in a consolidation phase only. So that's it for today guys. Hope you like my analysis. So please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.